Holly. Huh? Oh.
Miss Holly?
Oh. Well, good morning. It's a great morning, isn't it?
It's a beautiful morning.
That's good. You're reading your Sailing for Dummies book?
Actually, it comes highly recommended. It's
Cool.
pretty great. Yeah, and then it's got this little cheat sheet. It's awesome.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I should probably look at that yourself.
It's amazing and it's easy to read.
So, little update on the back end here. We got a new dinghy.
I know why people call it their new baby.
Yeah, so the motor's gone. And the dinghy, that one there is a new one, a smaller one. And it fits really well back there, and it's hardly any strain on the davits. The old one was 100 pounds, this one's 60 pounds. So much nicer to carry around. I can get it much higher. And we won't end up with, we shouldn't end up with the situation we were in before. Because it's sitting pretty high up there, so and the motor's not there. I might put the other motor was a 5. It's too big for this one, too big to be carrying around 60 pounds. So I'm gonna look for a smaller one. May not happen this year, who knows. But there's one of the guys at the marina here says he's got one, so he might stop by with a 3 or 2.5, whatever it is he's got. Anyway, that's yeah. So we got all that finished up yesterday, or tidied up and fixed up and arranged. Beautiful morning here. Still windy though. Wind didn't die that much. Today we're helping out Bruce to finish up some stuff before he goes home. And we have a couple things to do here. We're gonna be lifting in some boats on the weekend, I think. So yeah.
Speaking about Bruce, we've met some really great and super helpful people. Everybody has a little different way of doing things. But that's awesome because we can take whatever we're learning and figure out what works for us. Nobody's ever really shy about helping out, so I'm the shy one. Brian's the one who goes out and finds these people, but it's been pretty fun so far.
Yeah, cool. All right, and living on the boat's pretty good. We had a couple nights at anchor over there, and that worked out.
I have to admit, sleeping on the boat is super cozy. I like it. I always seem to have a good sleep.
Yeah, I was pretty tired last night, I guess. I slept pretty sound all night, I must say. Oh, yeah. Okay.
And then you wake up to this.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, you can wake up to that at a house or a apartment too, but it's extra special when you're sitting on the water.
Sitting on the water, that's right.
Yeah. And we might venture off to Bedore Lakes in a few days. So, anyways, get some.
Cheers. The coffee's great.
Oh yes, time for coffee.
Yeah.
Okay. We're with Ian here from Australia. So at the marina, you end up bumping into people you've never seen before, never heard tell of, and then all of a sudden you become friends, right? Because we're helping everybody out. So it's pretty awesome. Bruce, yourself. So what brings you here from Australia?
Well, g'day. I have bought a boat here. So we, my wife and I plan to do some sailing around Canada.
So you're in Australia and you wanted this particular boat?
Yeah, we're looking for a Cal 246.
Cal 2.
Yeah. So
Cal
CAL? Yeah.
That's it? Okay, I'm not familiar with that brand. Cal 42, but this is a 40.
Cal 2, which they made 2 models of the 46. So this was the revised one.
So you obviously knew what you wanted, you did your homework, and this is the boat you wanted, and this was the best darn deal and the best place in the world to come get one.
Yeah, that's right. At the end of the day, we got a good deal, you know?
Yeah, right. So, okay, so you've been here, how long have you been here now?
1 month.
A month, just here working your guts out. I know I've been with you a little bit on this boat, and yeah, it's an astronomical task to be solo, trying to figure everything out.
You know, wish you all your best with your trip too, and Holly.
We'll probably see you on the way back, hopefully.
Yeah.
Hopefully you'll be, you might be here when we come back, hopefully. That's the way it'll work out. But we'll keep in touch for sure. So, Yeah, that's awesome. So this boat is, you're going to take this to...
So the plan is really just to enjoy sailing over the next few years, and we'll generally head in a direction back towards Australia. We're not setting ourselves a goal there, like in terms of a 100% target.
Right.
We'll enjoy the sailing that's here and the east coast of the States, Caribbean, and we'll just see how far we get. And if it ends up that we're back in Australia, that's fantastic. I would love to do that South Pacific island sail from Panama through.
Yeah.
That would be
So
that
enjoy
would
the
be
boat
awesome.
from day one, leaving here, heading south, heading in
Yeah.
your home direction.
I'm already enjoying the boat.
You're fitting in pretty good here, yeah, for sure. First time in Canada, first time.
Yeah. Nova Scotia is the only place I've been in North America.
Wow.
And Northern Yacht Club is pretty much the only place I've been in Canada.
Wow.
So
Okay.
I'll definitely get to have a bit more of a look around. We can do Cabot Trail and all that sort of stuff,
Yeah,
and Great
thanks,
Lakes,
Paul.
and
Yeah,
have
you're
a look in time. But I'll wait for April to come over before I do that.
Cool. Today beautiful day. Today we're here just doing more boat chores. Holly is, we needed a mast boot to keep the water out. So this boat, we didn't have one. So Holly came up with the ingenious idea. Is that a word, ingenious? Anyways, ingenious idea to make a boot out of some material we had. So here we go.
Ingenious.
Ingenious. Okay, well this was ingenious to use seashells as buttons. Yeah, never saw that before. But anyway, it overlaps so the water will run down. Now we have to tape this, unfortunately. But we put buttons here to perhaps just snaps just in four directions, so it stays down the bottom. Once it runs down here, then it'll just run everywhere. So I don't know how good this tape is.
Oh, it's amazing tape.
All we need is the rain now and find out if it's going to work.
We should put another one on top. Just do one more.
Just a little bit
Not very
back. Oh, another job done. So, piece of a button left over there. Probably throw it away. We got lots. What's happening here around frill for today? Oh, we got some power going in over here, so I should go over and help that guy. That's basically what we're doing now. We're just waiting for the next Tuesday or so, and then before we get a phone appointment. But anyways, so I'm just helping it around the lift, around the marina, the boat lift there. We lifted a boat in this morning. I did actually, my first time. So now we got another one to do this afternoon. And they're actually getting ready to put the power on over there. So I'm gonna go over and help the guy out. But that's what we do around here, help out and around the marina shores. Tomorrow we're hooking up some docks, so cool.
Busy weekend.
Yeah, busy as well. What a morning, man. What a morning to hear the putt, 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 putt going into harbor. Ah, beautiful day. It's usually always calm at night and mornings, and then wind picks up a little bit. But yeah, who knows? It was a little foggy earlier. But we're still hanging out here at the marina. Actually, we're committed to doing some work with the marina today. I actually lifted in 2 boats yesterday, so that's great. Getting some training on that and getting used to running the lift. And now we're going to set up some docks. Docks are already in the water, so we're going to hook them up. They were damaged last year from Fiona, so we're going to, just 4 or 5 of us that are getting together and going to set those docks up so we can put more boats in the water. So we're still tied up here. We went for a trip a few days ago, of course, and then so yeah, we're gonna be here for a couple more days, and then we're gonna set off to I think we're going to Bedore Lakes, so you want to stay tuned for that. It'll be great getting in. We got to plan our arrival into the Narrows, just tide and current, so we got to figure all that out, our distance, how far do we travel, so there's lots of little bit of map work and figuring out timing of getting in there. So anyway, so this is typical of a morning here at the marina. It's around 8 o'clock or so, and weather's been pretty good, not too much rain at all, and a little bit of cloud, but that's okay. The sun's been hot when it's been out, so we're getting things pretty sorted out on the boat where we want it to be, and we got our new dinghy, and we got our repairs all fixed. So now we're better than new, so yeah, things are coming along pretty good. So I picked up some new anchor chain yesterday. Only had 30 feet or so, so now I got 50 feet of 3/8 I put on there. So now we got a total of about 80 feet, I guess. So that's gonna make it good for any anchorages. We got our fuel and water all secure there, and we're ready to go. I just got to take one of those cans off now and top up my fuel tank of the boat engine and the heaters. Then our boot is there, our weather boot. That's pretty good. Yeah, so you know, we're getting as much done as we can. There's nothing else that we need to do. A couple of small things, but that's about it. So stay tuned for projects here at the marina, I guess. This is our view, 8 o'clock in the morning, North Sydney.
You just put that guy in?
What?
You just put that guy in, eh?
That's a junior sailboat. That's the club for handicapped disabled people. That's a boat they use. So yeah, we just put it in for the club, and he's gone over to tie it up. It's got a brand new motor on it, so there's very no wind. So yeah.
Freedom.
Freedom, independence. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So there's 2 chairs in there for people that's disabled. And, cool.
Differently abled?
Differently abled. That's right.
That's right. That's a Lori coin term.
Yeah. This is my 3rd boat I put in so far.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Anyways, we got 2 or 3 more, 4 more maybe today to go in, but